If you're still using a random mashup of cracked plastic bowls in your kitchen, it's time for an upgrade. Today, we're looking at 5 top-rated mixing bowl sets that bring major upgrades to prep, baking, and storage. Product 1, Ziruma 5-Piece Stainless Steel Set. First up is the Ziruma 5-Piece Stainless Steel Set. This set ranges from 1 to 4.5 quarts and features airtight glass lids with non-toxic platinum silicone seals. Pros: zero plastic touching your food, sturdy non-slip bases, embedded measurement marks, and sleek glass lids so you can see what's inside. Cons: it is the priciest set on our list. If you want a modern, completely toxin-free set that moves seamlessly from meal prep to fridge storage, Ziruma is worth every penny. Product 2, Pyrex Essentials 3-Piece Glass Set. Next, a budget classic, the Pyrex Essentials 3-Piece Set. Pros: ultra-durable tempered borosilicate glass that resists stains and odors, completely dishwasher, freezer, and microwave safe, and exceptionally affordable. Cons: no lids included, and the largest size stops at 2.5 quarts. If you just need basic, indestructible glass bowls for everyday baking and warming, you can't go wrong with Pyrex. Product 3, Pyrex Colors Tinted 3-Pack Set. Number 3 is the Pyrex Colors Tinted 3-Pack, featuring a gorgeous yellow, green, and blue design. Pros: includes a massive 4.5 quart bowl, beautiful tinted glass for serving, and snug BPA-free plastic lids for easy meal storage. Cons: the plastic lids require top-rack dishwasher care to prevent warping. This set gives you that classic Pyrex durability with a pop of color and the convenience of included storage lids. Product 4, Lareina 4-Piece Farmhouse Ceramic Set. For style lovers, the Lareina 4-Piece Farmhouse Ceramic Set. Pros: gorgeous rustic design, microwave and oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and textured grip ridges that give you 40% better control while kneading. Cons: at over 10 pounds for the set, ceramic is heavier and requires careful handling. If you love baking bread or want bowls that double as stunning centerpiece serving dishes, Lareina is a total home run. Product 5, Bamboozle 5-Piece Plant-Based Set. Finally, the eco-friendly Bamboozle 5-Piece Set in fresh guacamole. Pros: made from plant-based Astrik material, completely oil and plastic-free, lightweight, microwave-safe, and dishwasher-friendly. Cons: higher price point for a non-metal or non-glass material. If you want a lightweight, modern, and eco-conscious option for daily prep and serving, Bamboozle delivers big on sustainability. Which style fits your kitchen best, stainless steel, classic glass, or ceramic? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for links to all 5 sets. Happy cooking!